In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account to Microsoft Authenticator step by step. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is up to date so everything looks as shown on screen. If this is your first time using it, allow the app to send notifications and grant camera access when prompted. Both are important for easy approvals and QR scanning later. Once the app is open, you'll land on the main screen where any existing accounts would appear. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the plus icon. This is the Add Account button. If you don't see it right away, give the app a second to finish loading or scroll slightly to reveal the header. Tapping this will start the guided setup. You'll now be asked to choose the type of account you're adding. Pick the option that matches what the service you're setting up expects. For many workplace sign-ins, that's work or school account. For your personal Microsoft login, choose Personal Account. If you're connecting a non-Microsoft site that uses time-based codes, select the option for other accounts or an authenticator setup. Choosing the correct type helps the app configure the right sign-in method automatically. After selecting the type, you'll see two ways to link the account: scan a QR code or enter a code manually. Most websites show a QR code during their two-step verification setup. Keep that page open on a computer screen, then point your phone's camera at the QR. Hold the phone steady and fill most of the frame with the code it should capture instantly. If your camera can't scan the code or the site provides a secret key instead, choose manual entry and carefully type the code exactly as shown. Double check for extra spaces or missing characters since the code must match perfectly. To finish, the app will usually ask you to approve a test sign-in or to enter a 6-digit verification code back on the website. If you see an approval prompt, tap Approve to confirm the link. If a 6-digit code is required, copy the number displayed in Authenticator and enter it on the site before the timer refreshes. These codes rotate every 30 seconds, so it's normal to see them change. Once the site confirms success, your new account will appear in the app, ready for future sign-ins.